Hello guys, welcome back to the Dear Kai. This is our fourth video of the Neetcode 150 challenge, and today's question is group anagrams. So we have already done a similar question like valid anagrams. For that we have to find valid anagrams, but this time we have to group them. So we have given a strs strings array of strings like this. Now we have to group the valid anagrams. Like for example, in this act cat are two anagrams, so we will uh, add it in a array of string, and then we add it to our list of arrays. And now for example, tops and ports are anagrams, so we will group them in a single array. Then we will add all these answers to our main array. So we need to return a list of string. Let's quickly check how do we solve it. Let's say we have this input string. Okay, we have eat, tea, tan, ate, nat, that. Okay, now we need to somehow group the anagrams. For each anagram, we need a key and a value. Key and value. So how can we create? These are our values, right? These are our values, we know. But what will be our key? We will also create a key from this data. Like what we can do is we can sort every string. For every string we will first sort it. Like it will become a e t, and then t will also become a e t. Now you see, we know that if we sort the string and if it is the same string, then it is an anagram. So if this is our key and this is our value, like it is our value, right? Here it is our value and here t is our value. You see, key is the same, but values are different. So we can store them in a dictionary. Uh, if we have a dictionary of string, which will be our key. For example, it is our key, it is our key, and value. It is also a string, but we know that uh, key is unique, but values can be different. So we need list of string because each string can have multiple values. For example, it is having eat and it is also having t. So we will add it to our dictionary every time we see similar or different key. Now we go ahead. Now 10 will be sorted like A, PQRSTN, and T. It will become and as key, and the value will be same 10. Now we go ahead again 8. Now it will come under this 8. Now nat will come under this and we will add it to our add key. Bad. This is unique, so we will create another key value pair ABT, and it will store BAT as value. So at the end, we will take all these values like AET. For AET, we will group them. For A and T, we will group them and add it to our list of string, like list of string, list of string. So this is our list of string. We will add it to our list. Okay, you got the intuition behind this. Okay, now let's quickly check how will our algorithm work. So there are two steps in our algorithm. First is to create key, and second store values, right? Okay, so first for creating key and values, we need a dictionary. So we'll first create a dictionary. Then for every item in our STRS array, str is the input array. We will first sort each item. It will work as key. Okay. Now, if this is the sorted item, okay. Now we will use this sorted item. Like if we sort the current string, this sorted item will work as our key, and this string itself will become our data. Okay. At the end, we will be for every string we will do this, like for eat, t, tan, 8, and at the end we will be having uh, a group of data, different groups of data. Then we will return that, like we can return list of string, and uh, this will we will at the end we will return dictionary dot values. We only need to return the values of this. So that's how this algorithm will work. Let's quickly check how will our code work. So it was only a basic code that I wrote, pseudocode, you can say it. Now let's quickly check how do we write its proper code. As I have already told you how to approach this question. So now let's quickly write the code. For this specific question, we will need a dictionary of string. It will be our key. String will be our key, right? I have already told you how we'll do it. And our value will be our list of string. Now this is our map. So I'm writing this in dictionary. Now let's run a for loop for each string s in strs. We need to sort this s, right? Every string we sort. For that I have to create a char array. It will be char. No, it will be s dot to array, as we will convert it. In order to sort it in C# we need to first convert it to a char array, then only we can sort it. Array dot sort char array. Now string sorted string equal to new string char array. So this is the sorted string. Now what we need to do is, if map dot contains this sorted string, so it contains key, because dictionary has a method of contains key. Sorted string, if the map does not contain, then we will initialize our this list string. Okay, we'll do map of st map of sorted string is equal to new list string, initialize it. Otherwise, after that we will map of sorted string is equal to dot add. We will add this current as state. And as we will be returning our values, so we are storing the current string as a value to this sorted string. So sorted string is the key and string is the value. For example, if ACT is converted to ACT, then ACT will be the key and ACT will also be our value. And for this cat, ACT will be our key and cat will be our string. Now at the end, so this for loop will run and accumulate all the values and keys in our map, and at the end we will say new list of string, and inside this we will say map dot values. So this is a short way to just convert our map dot values to dictionary or list of string. Hope everything is fine. Let's try to run it. Okay, this is running. Try to submit. Okay, our code is running fine. Now let's say if we want to optimize it, how can we do it? So instead of sorting every time, what we can do is take a char array of 26 char. Let's say we call it count is equal to new char of 26. So what we will do, it will work like a hash map, like um, we will count the frequency instead of sorting it, and it will also be work as our key. Let's uh, let's do now for instead of sorting it, what I'm doing is that for each char c in s, now I'm taking this s and again doing a for each loop on this, and now count of c minus in okay. So we will convert it to string. This will also become a sorted string. Mm, this is running also fine. So instead of sorting, we just counted the frequency uh, in count, and then we converted it to string, and then we used it as our key and returned the values. I hope you got how can you solve it, and I hope you understand. I'll see you in next one.